Okay, so we're starting a new farm area. My dad's friend that he knows is letting us use a spot of land. It's going to be over here in this area. However, I am not filming outside right now because it is about 40 degrees and probably 30-mile-an-hour wind outside. So I don't know if you'll be able to actually hear me speak over everything else. But I'll take you out there and show you the area we're going to be. I'm doing the behind the scenes footage.
Nice.
Got the clay potter here, Mr. Clay Potter.
I have no comment.
So this will be the area that we're going to be doing our gardening. Should be interesting to see. I'm going to be planting the apple trees and peach trees that I started growing, and we'll see how they go. That is the boat we're supposed to be rescuing. No, we haven't rescued or had space to. Let me just rip the motor off of it and take it.
Oh, I was to say, I thought you had a video titled Victory Garden.
I have one titled My Victory Garden.
No, I've never seen it, but you talked about it. You talking about the one that's 2x2 or whatever?
That's square foot garden.
Oh. Then what's the Victory Garden one?
Victory Garden was a TV series produced by PBS. And the guy who was the master gardener they hired to do the series, they brought him to the TV studio, and you know, he did the interview, and they said, okay, well, let's go take a look where you want to do this. And they took him out to the piece of property. It was an old gravel parking lot, and he just looked at them and said, I can't grow anything here. And so they brought in dump truck loads of dirt and built the set on top of the gravel parking lot.
Are you filming?
Yeah. This is what our attempts look like at digging a hole. It is just bricks and construction rubble, chunks of metal, concrete. There's really no usable,
I know.
there's really no usable gardening land right here. So dug this hole, dug this hole. And we dug this here, but we put the saw back. So far, nothing usable. So the debris over here is not really usable for gardening. So we decided to dig up a little bit more. And up here is usable, but we don't really have permission from the owner of the property to go up that far. So we're just gonna hold off for now, and we'll talk to we'll see what she says about moving up further, and we'll see what we can do from there. The land we were at before, homeowner isn't home, so we can't necessarily ask her if we can move anywhere else. So we've decided to come to another property in the area, my grandparents, and we used to have a garden here years ago. My grandfather didn't necessarily like it so much, so we let it go, and then he passed away a couple of years ago, so we decided maybe it's time to get a garden going again, as you know, we're kind of taking care of the land for him. So we'll show you how to go from grass to garden. So this is the tiller we're using. It's a Troy built Junior. grandfather's had it for years, and he brought it out and got it fired up, and we're using it now. So you'll see us using it in action. Probably can't see that, but it's model number 15006 if anyone's interested in looking it up. It comes with a 4 horsepower Tecumseh engine powering the tiller.
Right, Kevin?
And that's how you go from grass to garden.